हाय दिस इज़ अमित मुलानी फ्रॉम गल्फूड 2024 दुबई और मैं हूं अभी मिस्टर एन सेंथिल नाथन जी के साथ जो कि डायरेक्टर हैं नटराज ऑयल मिल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के. हाय सर, हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing well.
हाँ सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी अबाउट योर कंपनी, द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ योर कंपनी इन विच ईयर and in which kind of the products right now are you dealing?
Hello to everyone. Uh, we are into this industry for generations,
Okay.
and after my entry into the business,
हाँ
I insisted my elders
हाँ
that we should be incorporated,
हाँ.
and based on the opinion and suggestions, and it was incorporated in 1993
Okay.
in the name of Nataraj Mills Private Limited.
Okay.
And we are mainly producing sesame oil,
Sesame. Okay.
sesame oil, and peanut oil.
Okay.
So these are the major two main products we are actually dealing it, which is crushing cold pressed sesame oil and cold pressed peanut oil.
Cold press, both are.
Pressed,
Both are. Wow. Superb.
And after that we started some other products since the market, edible oil market, and we have to add up some other products into the portfolio. So we added sunflower. Actually, we import sunflower crude from Ukraine, and we do the refinery process at Chennai, and we pack it and distribute it in India.
So your company has own packaging and refinery oils.
Yes.
Oh wow, that's great, sir. And from Tamil Nadu, yeah?
Yeah, from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah. So in the local market already you are established?
Already in local market we are there, and we are already there in all digital platforms in India.
Oh wow.
So Amazon or Jio or Flipkart and other too many platforms were there, and we and the response from the consumers directly from the e-commerce is already doing
Too good.
fabulous.
Absolutely. Because India is the growing market for the e-commerce platform also. Sir, one more thing I want to ask that in international market you are already selling your products.
Yes.
So in how many country you are exporting right now?
So mainly we are exporting to most of the major volume goods to United States and Canada and UAE.
Oh wow, that's great.
And Singapore, Malaysia, and Australia.
Okay. So what is the percentage of volume you are exporting from your total volume?
Total volume of overall turnover somewhere else around 20 to 25% is exports.
Oh wow, that's too good. And really appreciating that. I haven't seen any oil brand over here who are doing good job over in the international market, because I haven't seen another stalls also. Very few stalls. Sir, one more thing I want to ask that in the Gulfood, how many years, since how many years you are participating, and what is your experience with the Gulfood?
Sir, past 4 years we have been participating.
Okay.
And before that I used to come here.
Okay, to visiting it.
Yeah, visiting Gulfood. And every person needs some push. As like that I had a push somewhere else past 4 years back. And I thought of coming here because we are already spending a lot in all mass medias.
True.
So when considering and advertising and on this other digital medias or TVs and etc., why don't we have an international exposure? Then I pushed here and I came here, and we are getting a fantastic reference, and we are exchanging the codes, and requirements differs from geographical reason area.
True.
And we are meeting their demands, and even we are doing white labeling also.
Oh wow, that's great. So more market you can identify over there where people's asking in their brands, OEM.
If I am not doing in white label,
Someone else
is doing it. Then why should I avoid it?
Absolutely. And when you are entering into the international
businessman.
Absolutely. And when you are entering into the international market, we have to open for white labeling. Otherwise, definitely that business can go somewhere else with the different suppliers. Sir, last but not least question. You are already doing the export of your products in US and UK kind of the countries where norms are too strict. Then what is your suggestion to the new entrepreneurs who are entering into the international market in the export with food products? where they have to focus or where they have to consider the things to be kept in your mind, in their mind?
See, there is an international standard, that is a codex.
First,
Generally, it is everyone
absolutely.
is following it.
Yeah.
And see that we are consuming it.
Huh. Truly.
First understand this, since it is a food product. First you consume it.
Bilkul. Then also then your client can.
Quality standard comes from within our side.
Absolutely.
So there is no. Generally I used to say that quality is not an accident.
Absolutely. Absolutely true.
Okay. So the policy differs from country to country. So we as a businessman, we should follow all these regulations.
Absolutely.
So there is no bypassing it. So we cannot jump from the first step to the fourth or fifth step.
Absolutely. It's the process.
It's a
You have to
process.
go
It's a
through one by one step. And definitely, I can say that the statement of the day, what you said, sir, it is first of all you consuming the product. So, but obvious in that case, if you are not convinced with your product, how can you sell to someone else?
Yes, exactly.
And absolutely.
Actually, see, profit is not the criteria.
Absolutely, sir.
See,
Absolutely.
we want to have we want to serve beyond the sales.
Absolutely. And
So we want to have the loyalty from the consumer side.
Absolutely. True. And sir, one thing I must say that
See, beyond the loyalty or the ultimate is consumer satisfaction.
absolutely. Otherwise, he or she will not come again.
There is no meaning of doing it.
Bilkul.
See, even if you are bypassing all these things, definitely you cannot thrive in this industry for a long time.
Absolutely. It is a short gain only.
Short.
So I was saying that since 2019, I am also visiting the particular trade fair, Gulfood, and I am seeing continuously that whenever you are moving further with the Western countries, you will find out that people are always focusing on the quality that they are serving to the people, because ethics in the business is the first thing we have to pour inside it.
So quality is within ourselves.
Bilkul.
We don't to scare on it.
True, sir. True. I am believing in it. Thank you so much, sir, for your insights, information.
Thank you very
and
much.
It's really a pleasure meeting with you. Definitely in future your company grow manifold and you do export in more than 100 countries. That's what my wishing from my side. Thank you once again and have a great luck, sir, ahead. Thank you. एक फोटो ले लें बस.